Hello, Genius Hour class. This is Mrs. Nicolati, and I'm going to take some time today to go through the entire week of Monday, April 6th, all the way through Thursday, April 9th. We do have Friday off, so there will be no assignments on Friday. So let's get started. First of all, for this week, I do want to welcome you to quarter 4. We are closing the book on quarter 3. You guys did some awesome projects for quarter 3 in a really weird situation. So I appreciate your cooperation. And I think that overall we did a really great job with transitioning to kind of sharing our projects and commenting on them in discussion boards. So good job, you guys. Today's agenda is going to cover a review of my contact information. I'm going to discuss our plans for quarter 4 projects, and then I'm going to share the plan for the week. So first of all, just a reminder, there are 3 ways for you to get a hold of me. You can email me anytime. You can use my Google Voice number to call or text me during school hours, so 7:30 to 3:30. And then finally on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 9:30, I do have office hours where you can get a hold of me by joining a conference in the conference app in Schoology. Thank you to those of you who did that this week with your questions. Hopefully it was a good resource for you to use those office hours. Okay. So we have, again, our distance learning plan in place. So for quarter 4 Genius Hour, we are going to break quarter 4 into 2 mini Genius Hour projects. Your first project is going to be from April 6th to April 30th. That is not a very long time. That is why I'm calling these mini projects. You need to find something that you can do within a less than a month time frame. Okay, this project does need to be completed individually due to the fact that we are doing distance learning currently. And then your presentations will be shared with me the same way that you did last week for quarter 3. Our second round of projects will begin May 6th through the end of the school year. Hopefully, those will be in person. If we are back at school, you will have the option to work with a small group or a partner on that project. But for right now, because we are doing distance learning, your first project for quarter 4 will be individual. Okay, so today is Monday, April 6th. Please, during your time today for Genius Hour, just brainstorm possible topics. Keep in mind it's a mini project. So you need to make sure that you can complete it within less than a month of a time frame. Okay? There is a handout in the folder for today that's called Thick versus Thin Questions. We talked about that handout also during quarter 3. Please make sure you know how to create a thick question, which will be due tomorrow. So Tuesday, April 7th, your thick question will be due by 11:59 p.m. And this is how you're going to do that. You'll go to Schoology. You'll open your Genius Hour OneNote, which is on the menu at the bottom left. In OneNote, remember you're going to find your name. You'll click on Action Plan, and that should bring you to 2 options, a quarter 3 action plan and a quarter 4 action plan. To get to your quarter 4 action plan, obviously you're going to click quarter 4 action plan and review those directions. Then you're going to type your thick question into number 1 on the action plan. I can see your responses in your OneNote, so you don't need to share that with me or anything like that. But you do need to have your thick question in there by the end of the day today. So just to review, if I were Alex, I would click on my name. I would go down to Action Plan. It's going to show up here with quarter 3 action plan and quarter 4 action plan. Obviously, I'm choosing quarter 4 action plan. I'm going to review these directions. Please keep in mind we will not be doing the pitch. I'll talk about that later. And then you're going to fill out the thick question portion of this proposal. Number 1. That's all you need to do to complete the assignment for Tuesday, April 7th. One other reminder for Tuesday, April 7th is that I do have office hours from 9 to 9:30 in the conference app in Schoology. So if you have questions about your thick question, which is due by 11:59 on Tuesday, April 7th, please drop into our Schoology office hours and I can help you from there. Okay, Wednesday, April 8th and Thursday, April 9th. These are 2 days for you to work on completing the rest of your action plan in OneNote, so numbers 2 through 9. I will be responding on Tuesday and Wednesday to your thick questions that you have posted in Schoology. I will be writing notes and I will highlight them to you. So make sure, as this bullet right here says, that you have my approval on your thick question prior to moving on to numbers 2 through 9 in your action plan. The action plans do need to be completed by Thursday, April 9th at 11:59 p.m. There will be no pitches for this project due to our distant learning situation. And remember, you don't need to share your OneNote with me over and over again. It's already connected. We're already synced together. So once your action plan is done, you just leave it in there and you wait for me to comment. Okay. I have taken some time to update our Schoology calendar. So when you go to the calendar, you will see all of our due dates. Okay? Use it to help you stay organized. Keep in mind you only have 10 school work days to complete this project for the first part of quarter 4. You will have 2 discussion boards built in, and then you will be sharing your presentation with me the exact same way we did for quarter 3 for this first part on April 30th. For your daily creating log, you won't need to begin those until Wednesday, April 15th. And if you go and look into your OneNote, you will see that those dates are already built in. So again, to check my daily creating log, I'm going to go under my name. If I were Alex, I would click on Alex. I would go to Daily Creating Log, Quarter 4 Daily Creating Log, and then you will see that the dates that you need are already built in. So you're going to jot down your plans for the day starting on Wednesday, April 15, and then your next steps. I will do 1 score for this in the grade book at the end of this project. Okay, so next we're going to talk about rubrics. Just a reminder, they are built into the Schoology folder called rubrics. We are using the same ones that we used for quarter 3. The 3 that we need to pay attention to are the action plan rubric. Remember though, you're not doing the pitch, so that part will not be completed. You will have 2 discussion boards, so you want to pay attention to the reflection discussion board rubric. And then finally, the presentation scorecard is in the rubric folder as well. All right, so that brings us to an end. You can rewatch this video at any point if you need. Otherwise, the PowerPoint is also on its own in the Schoology folder right below this video, so you can use that as a resource as well. Please get a hold of me if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help you guys out. You're doing a phenomenal job with adjusting to this distance learning situation. I'm really, really proud of all of you. Please let me know how I can help you. Take care, you guys. Bye.